This video will take you through the simple steps to follow to set up your Mr. Christmas Alexa compatible Christmas tree. First, take all of the pieces out of the box in which the tree ships. Once you have everything out of the box, start with the stand. Extend the legs of the stand away from each other and use the 3 metal screws included to set the stand in place. Do not screw them in all the way so that you can put the first piece into the base before you tighten. Once the base is in the place where you'd like to set up your tree, the assembly is simple. You're just going to take the tree pieces, put them into the base, and fit them into one another by lining up the arrows on the center pole. Because of the memory wire branches, your tree will need minimal shaping to look absolutely stunning. Now that you've taken those simple setup steps, you've shaped your tree so quickly, you're ready to enjoy the magic of the Mr. Christmas Alexa compatible tree. At the base of your tree, connect the power cable and press the button on the foot pedal to illuminate your tree. 3 flashes to know that your tree is on and ready to connect. If you wish to use Alexa to tell your tree what to do, follow the next steps in this video. If you wish to enjoy all of the 54 different light settings using the foot pedal, you're ready to go now. If you'd like to use Alexa to control your tree, once you've plugged in the tree and turned it on using the foot pedal, you'll follow these steps. First, open up the Alexa app on your phone. Under Devices, find the Christmas tree. Scan the barcode on the control box that's connected to the power cord to your tree, and once the device is recognized, you'll be able to use voice to activate all of the magical functions on the tree.